Etiseng. So when someone says etiseng, the person asks you, how are you? So the response is eye. So I'm going to ask you etiseng. I want a response. So etiseng. 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 Clap for yourself. So the clap is, but moment I say bow and sem, you clap. So when you hear bow and sem, yes, clap. So let's recap what we've just said. How do we say how are you in Chi? Any of you move out. How do you say how are you? How do you say that? 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 How do you say that, Magda? Okay, what about the response? Just raise your hands. How are you? The response. Yes? No, the response of Etiseng. How do you say that? So Etiseng. 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 Clap for yourself.